Come back in, I think.
That's funny.
I dropped my wallet. I had to go back for it.
The birds knew.
Yeah.
I saw the birds knew because they were running before you guys started running.
Oh, okay. The water's coming this way, guys.
Okay, gotta take a picture of the cliff. Look at those pelicans. Moin, moin,
Oh no.
moin. What? Ah! It's like lava. Oh, great. Run. Ah! Bugs! Ah!
Oh no, you dropped your phone.
I dropped my phone. No. Okay, let me run.
Your phone in the wet sand.
Oh
you
my
almost
gosh.
left it.
Here comes the water. Oh, man. Ah, great. Ah. Great. Hope it still works. Huh? Oh, man. I would have died. I would not have known what happened to my... Oh, I think I'm still recording. Oh, I am. That's funny. Look at Grandma taping us. Okay, I'm done.